challenges of rocket launch in Peru. Peru, located near the equator and home to diverse geography, holds great potential for space activity. But when it comes to rocket launches, the country faces several important challenges. First, there is the issue of infrastructure. Unlike other countries with established spaceports, Peru lacks modern launch facilities, tracking stations, and propulsion test sites. Building these would require not only major investment, but also long-term policy support. Geography is a mixed blessing. While Peru's proximity to the equator offers an advantage for launching satellites into geostationary orbit, much of the terrain is mountainous, forested, and densely populated. Finding safe, stable launch corridors with minimal risk to people and property is no easy task. Next is technical capability. Peru has made progress in satellite design through its space agency, CONIDA, and partnerships with countries like France and China. However, rocket development and launch expertise remain limited. The country would need to train a specialized workforce and possibly rely on foreign assistance for years to come. Peru also faces regulatory and policy gaps. A clear national space law exists, but detailed guidelines for licensing, safety, and environmental impact for launch operations are still developing. Finally, funding and political will are major concerns. With pressing needs in healthcare, education, and infrastructure, space programs often receive limited attention and resources. Despite these obstacles, Peru is steadily expanding its space capabilities. With the right investment, partnerships, and vision, the dream of rocket launches from Peruvian soil could one day become reality. Thanks for watching.